Moen shower won't shut off. Replace the 1222 cartridge in minutes. Is your Moen shower stuck running even when the handle is turned all the way off? Don't worry, you may not need a plumber. In many cases, a worn-out Moen 1222 cartridge is the culprit. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire replacement process step by step so you can get your shower working properly again. Welcome to Car Care Fix, where we bring you easy-to-follow DIY repair guides that save you time and money. Step 1. Shut off the water supply. Before doing any plumbing work, turn off the water supply. If your shower doesn't have dedicated shut-off valves, you'll need to shut off the main water supply to the house. In my case, the main shutoff is located in the garage near the water heater. Step 2. Confirm the problem. The single-handle Moen valve controls both water flow and temperature. If water continues to run no matter how you position the handle, the cartridge has likely failed and needs replacement. Step 3. Remove the shower handle. Using a 3/32-inch Allen wrench, loosen the set screw located underneath the handle. Turn it counterclockwise until it's free, then slide the handle off the valve. Step 4. Remove the trim components. Take out the Phillips head screw in the center of the trim assembly. Remove the trim pieces and the plastic spacer behind them. Pay attention to how everything is positioned so reassembly is easier later. Next, slide off the decorative chrome sleeve. Step 5. Remove the trim plate. Locate the 2 Phillips screws securing the trim plate to the wall. Remove them and carefully pull the plate away from the valve. Step 6. Remove the retaining clip. At the top of the valve body, you'll find a metal retaining clip that locks the cartridge in place. Use needle nose pliers to pull it straight out. Be careful not to drop it behind the wall. Step 7. Prepare the cartridge for removal. Rotate the cartridge stem until the flat side with the locating ridge is facing upward. Moen offers a cartridge puller tool for this job, but channel lock pliers can also work if used carefully. Step 8. Remove the old cartridge. Grip the cartridge firmly and work it back and forth while pulling outward. Older cartridges can be stubborn, so be patient. Once removed, inspect it for damage. In my case, the cartridge stem had failed completely. Step 9. Get the correct replacement. For most single-handle Moen shower valves, you'll need a Moen 1222 replacement cartridge. These are widely available online and typically cost between $40 and $45. Step 10. Lubricate and install the new cartridge. Apply a thin layer of plumber's grease or silicone grease to the cartridge O-rings. This helps the cartridge slide into the valve body smoothly and prevents damage to the seals. Insert the new cartridge with the hot-cold marking facing upward. Push it in evenly until it is fully seated. Step 11. Reassemble the valve. Reinstall the retaining clip first to lock the cartridge in place. Then reinstall the trim plate, chrome sleeve, plastic spacer, trim pieces, and finally the handle. Step 12. Restore water and test. Turn the main water supply back on and test the shower. The handle should now shut the water off completely and allow smooth temperature adjustment. And that's it. Replacing a Moen 1222 cartridge is a straightforward repair that can save you the cost of a service call. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more DIY home repair guides, and leave a comment below with any questions or tips from your own repair experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.